Artificial intelligence is now in its infancy. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a simulation of human intelligence that has been encoded into machines and is used to make decisions. Computer or robot intelligence refers to the capacity of a computer or robot to do activities that are typically performed by humans because they require human intellect. While artificial intelligence, AI, initially consisted of robots doing only small human activities and increasing the pace of manufacturing processes, or computers teaching themselves how to play chess better, it has progressed significantly over the course of history. Artificial intelligence can be found everywhere these days. It improves the quality of most phone cameras, enables us to better manage our finances, and is interwoven into our everyday lives in a variety of ways. In addition to assisting us in automating our environment and increasing the efficiency of employment, which a computer intelligence is supposed to be capable of, there are examples of artificial intelligence becoming increasingly similar to human intellect. With robots being able to participate in discussions and even quizzes, as well as creating paintings and music and displaying creativity in a variety of forms, and even coming near to replicating human emotions, one has to wonder what the future of artificial intelligence will bring to humanity. Is it possible to replace us? No matter how many advancements we see in the widespread use of artificial intelligence, it will never be feasible for AI to completely replace human intellect. The ability to consider ourselves and others, to feel empathy, to make decisions based not only on data but also on instinct, and to read the emotions of those around us in order to adjust our behavior, which is a critical aspect of human interaction, continues to be the core aspect of human intelligence we possess. However, just because computers are not now capable of replicating this does not imply that it will always be impossible. This continues to be one of the most heated disputes in the field of artificial intelligence today. Creating a vision for the future. While some individuals are enthusiastic to see what artificial intelligence might do, others are concerned about the potential risks and societal ramifications that it may have. For the time being, the future is unclear, but we should approach it with anticipation and an open mind, striving to profit from all that artificial intelligence has made possible while maintaining a high regard for our own intelligence and emotions. We must recognize our collective potential and recognize that the dilemma is not one of choosing between AI and humans, but rather one of constructing a future of partnership in which both human intellect and artificial intelligence reside and work in harmony together. Is it possible for artificial intelligence to completely replace human intelligence? Using a mix of deep learning, machine learning and data science algorithms, artificial intelligence, AI, a current technique, is a new science-making machine that aids computers in learning on their own with human-like intelligence. Machines become increasingly intelligent as a result of technologies such as neural networks, natural language processing, robotics processing, cognitive services, mixed reality, AR/VR, and so on. A consequence of this is that machine systems make decisions in much the same manner that people do in our daily lives. This machine decision-making mechanism is igniting disputes such as the one between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. We will explore the benefits of artificial intelligence, the significance of human intellect, and the dangers of artificial intelligence to humans and their everyday lives today in order to provide you with a clear perspective on this widely disputed topic today. Robot, Cruise Oblivion, and Age of Tomorrow, as well as films starring Robert Downey Jr. and Arnold Schwarzenegger, teach us that humans will become increasingly reliant on technology at some point in the not-too-distant future. Intellect possessed by humans. Because of the facts of the actual world, the West, particularly Hollywood, turns to computers that can think and act like people in order to understand them. Robots, bots, humanoids, digital people, star children, and other similar terms are used in movies and YouTube videos to describe characters who coordinate their appearance in a variety of ways. Now, the majority of you are aware that this is no longer a work of fiction. It has become a reality. Do you have any knowledge of Sophia? Sophia is a social humanoid robot created by Hanson Robotics in Hong Kong. She can interact with other people. Sophia is capable of doing everything you set your mind to in your life. In addition, she is available to answer any questions you may have. As a robot, Sophia is now recognized as a legal resident of Dubai. You may see his interview from his very first public appearance, which took place in March 2016 in Texas, United States of America. Intelligent machines, AI versus intelligent humans, high, AI versus high. Many artificial intelligence-powered apps today outperform humans in terms of execution speed, operational efficiencies, job efficiency, and decision-making accuracy, among other metrics. According to what we know about human intelligence, it is derived from adaptive learning and personal experience rather than being dependent on pre-fed facts. AI, on the other hand, requires data that has already been processed. It is true that our human memory, brain computing capability, and body composition as a whole appear tiny when compared to the hardware and software of a machine or a robot. In the same way that people are terrified of lions in the forest, we are afraid of these complex devices, systems, and robots because they appear to us as aliens and cause us to react reflexively. This foreign concept in our minds kills our God-given human intelligence and permits the robots to take control of our bodies and our minds. From Hollywood films such as Terminator, we have learned that when it comes to human intellect versus artificial intelligence, AI is more likely to rule mankind. However, as experts in the field, we believe that our brains are more complex, smart, and have deeper layers that robots will not be able to match anytime soon, at least not for the next 35 years or more. Will humans be replaced by machines? Let's go back to the issue over artificial intelligence versus human intelligence from before. Recent artificial intelligence advances are extremely near to human intellect, however, they are unable to surpass the human brain. Our minds gain information through a feeling of understanding, reasoning, learning, and experience, among other methods. The way we experience things, and most crucially, our emotions, distinguishes humans from digital computers, robots, artificial intelligence technologies, and other technology. Because common sense differs from person to person, it will take years for this growth to take place. This suggests that AI systems are incapable of distinguishing between cause and effect. While we humans make judgments on the basis of cause and effect, our actions are beneficial to some segments of human society in general. Yes, artificial intelligence has made our jobs simpler, yet there have been several failures, such as the following. A pedestrian is killed by an Uber self-driving car. IBM's Watson supercomputer has been criticized for being hazardous and ineffective in the treatment of cancer. The AI-enabled facial recognition system is prejudiced towards those with darker skin tones, misidentifying them as criminals when they are not. All of these calamities compel us to increase the power of artificial intelligence through enhancing AI technology by incorporating appropriate algorithms and data. Otherwise, artificial intelligence will be unable to coexist with our values, ethics, and expertise. Morality and ethics are just a few examples of human intelligence. There are many other types of human intelligence as well. These include intuition and reflexes, accuracy and precision, timing, quality judgment, sense of understanding, reasoning, learning, reasoning and experience, emotions, and many more. The potential of human intelligence is infinite. If artificial intelligence is to become the equivalent of human intellect, it must be equipped with better tools for processing various forms of human intelligence. Deep learning is a subset of AI that is used for this purpose, DL. DL's research focuses on the notion of the human reflex and nervous system, which is a neural network that is analogous to that of the human brain. Machines and robots are being trained to apply intellect and expertise to real-world circumstances, which is a major step forward in artificial intelligence. As learning improves, robots will begin to mimic human behavior, and artificial intelligence, AI, will eventually be able to match the frequency of our brains.